मिजोरम 20वीं सदी के मध्य में बड़े ही अशांति का केंद्र था। मिजो नेशनल फ्रंट ने 1966 में एक हिंसक विद्रोह शुरू किया, जिसका उद्देश्य भारत से स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त करना था। यह विद्रोह 1950 के दशक के अंत में अकाल के दौरान सरकार की खराब प्रबंधन को लेकर असंतोष के कारण शुरू हुआ था। इस विद्रोह के दौरान भारी सैन्य कार्यवाही हुई, जिसमें 1966 में आइजोल पर हवाई हमले भी किए गए। यह भारतीय वायुसेना द्वारा अपने ही क्षेत्र पर बमबारी करने का पहला और एकमात्र उदाहरण है। तो आइए आज उसी आइजोल के लोगों से जानते हैं कि इंसर्जेंसी के करीब 60 साल बाद मेनलैंड इंडिया और सरकार के बारे में उनके क्या ओपिनियन है।
Actually, what I'm trying to say is the current Mizo people are not expecting much from the government, but what we are expecting is that we have a very peaceful living conditions, not much disturbance.
Not at all. Whenever I go out, like outside Mizoram as well, there are many, they call me Chinese and all, which is a little bit racist in my opinion, but at the end of the day, we're all Indians, we're all part of India, so we would love to be called Indians.
I think that is a false thought. As our countries, we are Indians only, so we needed to learn the national language, Hindi as well. The things what you have to understand is nowadays we are opening like an institution for the Hindi class as well. It means that we are very close to other states. It means we are not thinking separate for others Indians people.
और हम लोग इंडियन है, इसलिए अपना देश के लिए और इंडिया का डेवलप होने के लिए हर आदमी ये सोचता है हम लोग इंडियन है।
That used to be the feeling, let us say maybe 10 years or maybe 15 years ago. But now that, like the internet has moved every one of us together. Because of that, like we don't have that feeling anymore. Most of us feel is that, okay, the railway will be doing good for us. But the, the more literate people and the people who know their surroundings, who have been exposed to, outside the state, they know that the railway is not the most important and the best thing to be happening in Mizoram, because of the railways, most of our forests are going to be destroyed.
I think Mizo people would really appreciate railways because, as you can see, the roads are very narrow. So introduction of railways would facilitate the transportation a lot, and the use of cars and all these other modes of transport would be reduced a lot. So yeah.
Yeah, the thing is we need or we want or whatever. Maybe it's not beautiful. Maybe it may be harmful for us, but we need it. Because we must have the railway station here. Because why? Everything should be easy about the transportations, even for the goods as well. No, we need it. That's why we must support all of that.